November 10th, 2025. GLTO is the first ticker I played. As you can see, this one had a very aggressive move up. I straight up should have just avoided it, but I jumped in before checking the news. I can tend to do that in a slower market, but occasionally you pay for it, and I did with GLTO. It was acquisition and a large private placement, and it had a tiny float, like 1.1 million float, so should have avoided it. But as you can see, chaos on the chart. I played it all day. Net positive, it was my biggest loser and my biggest winner, but played it quite a few times today. Overall, probably should have avoided the initial pop, but survived. SELX is the next one. Not really sure why this one pumped, but I got a trade ideas alert that it was approaching the 200 daily SMA, which aligned with the VWAP. And I actually sent this alert out in the Discord, and it flushed nice. Went heavy because I knew it was going to be a small flush, so caught a decent flush on it and closed it out. The next one is VERO. So this was a 510K. It's basically a regulatory milestone for a medical device company. These pops alongside like Pat News rarely sustain their gains, and I caught it twice on quick moves up. First one in pre-market, the second one when it tried to break over VWAP, caught it at $3 and got a nice little flush on it. LOOP, so this one had some agreement with Nike, but it was very underwhelming. So I got in it. As you can see, it flushed immediately. Only got a partial fill on it, but it was a nice flush overall. The last two were in after hours. Played after hours a little bit today. And the first one, CYCN, it had news earlier in the day, and for whatever reason it pumped after hours, jumped in, caught a solid flush, ended up pushing higher to the daily 200 SMA, and I didn't catch it because I called it a day before then. And then the last pump was CMTL. So this was the second one I played. Earning news pop. I assume something positive was said or achieved, but didn't really play the news. I just played the excessive move up and caught a decent flush on it. Overall, a solid day. Traded quite a bit today, more than usual, but turned out to be a decent P&L day. And if you want to see how I play these in pre-market, I do it every day, Monday through Thursday, live on YouTube. Start at 7 a.m. So see you there.